ń ṣí renovation ohun tí Segilola ṣe fún school construction àti furniture toilet ballroom lẹ́nìí agbàdúrà pé Ọlọ́run fún ọlágbá láti lè ṣètò ilé lọ. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń lọ school first class náà wọ́n máa mú. Ẹ̀yin bàbá náà Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́ láti lè tọwọ́ débi tí ọmọ àfọwọ́ lórúkọ ti bàbá àti ti ọmọ àti ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́.
This is just a testament to our work Segilola stand for, to give in terms of the CSR, and also to comply with the CDA that we signed with the 3 communities, and to foster a relationship, and in our own small way to contribute to the education, which is the most important thing if you ask me of our youth.
Today is a memorable day in the life of the community secondary school and the entire community for witnessing the new developments in the school environment.
Segilola, more power to your help. Ilé-iṣẹ́ yìí a máa lọ sókè. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ nílé rò pátápátá fún gbogbo àwọn ìlú mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta yìí. Ọlọ́run á fún yín ṣe.
I can see well-renovated buildings. I can see new chairs, new benches. So we are happy to be associated with you. And I want to assure you that also state government will continue to synergize with the company.